What is the chemical symbol for water?
H2O.
What process do plants use to make their own food?
Photosynthesis.
What gas do humans breathe in?
Oxygen.
What force pulls objects towards the earth?
Gravitational force.
Gravity. What is the largest organ in the human body?
Skin.
What is the boiling point of water at sea level in degrees Celsius?
100 degrees Celsius.
What is the closest planet to the sun?
Mercury.
Mercury. What is the chemical symbol for gold?
Au.
What is the main organ responsible for pumping blood in the human body?
Heart.
The heart. What is the name of the process where plants release water vapor into the atmosphere?
Transpiration.
Transpiration. General science रो किछि कहबो क्विज क्वेश्चन. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
What part of a plant absorbs water and nutrients from the soil?
Roots.
Which part of the cell contains the genetic material? Nucleus. What do we call animals that eat both plants and animals?
Omnivorous.
Omnivorous. What type of animal lays eggs and has feathers? Birds. What do you call a baby frog?
Tadpole.
ମୁଁ biology ରୁ ପଚାରୁଛି. Which organ in the human body helps in digestion? Stomach. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? हाँ
Cerebrum.
cerebellum. ହେଲା. What type of animal breathes through its skin? କୋଉ animals ତା ସ୍କିନ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା ମାନେ ଆମର ବ୍ରିଥ୍ କରେ?
Anaerobic.
ଗୋଟେ ନାଁ କୁହ. Example. Frog. Which gas do plants take in during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. What is the process by which caterpillars turn into butterflies called? Caterpillar जो butterfly रे turn हुए से process टा कौन कहा जाए? Metamorphosis. Physics. What force opposes motion between two surfaces in contact? What force oppose माने रोकिवा against motion between two surfaces in contact? Friction. Very good. Correct answer. किए कहले? Arus. What is the unit of force in physics? Newton. Which law states that an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an external force? Newton's first law of motion. In what unit is electrical power measured?
Kelvin.
What? Which planet has rings around it? Saturn. How many colors are there in rainbow?
7.
What instrument measures temperature? Thermometer. What is the outermost layer of the earth called? Crust. Earth is mostly covered by water. Which layer of the atmosphere contains weather phenomena like clouds and rain?
Atmosphere.
Troposphere. What natural disaster is measured using a
Seismograph.
seismometer?
Earthquake.
Earthquake. तने earthquake माने कौन? भूमिकंप सेटा कहा द्वारा मेजर कराइता है? Seismometer. Which ocean is the largest on earth?
Pacific Ocean.
What process breaks down rocks into smaller pieces over time due to wind and water action called weathering? How many continents are there on earth? Continents? 5%, 7 continents. The North Pole is located at latitude 90 degrees north. True or false? True. The North Pole is located at latitude 90 degrees north. Which planet is known as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition? Venus. Which animal can sleep for 3 years at a time? କୋଉ ଆନିମଲ୍ ପାଖାପାଖି ଏକା ଥରକରେ 3 ବର୍ଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଶୋଏ? ସ୍ନେଲ୍. What is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the largest organ in the human body? Repeat ହେଇଗଲା. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings?
Saturn.
What do we call the process by which plants lose water vapor?
Transpiration.
What is the hardest natural substance on the earth? Diamond. Very good. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
Oxygen.
What is the main ingredient in glass? Huh? Sand. Correct answer. Sand or silica. What type of animal is a dolphin?
Mammal.
Mammal. What is the speed of light? 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Which part of the human body is responsible for producing insulin? Producing insulin. Pancreas. Correct answer. What do you call a scientist who studies rocks? ପଢ଼ିଥିଲ ଏଇଟା. What do you call a scientist who studies rocks? Geologist. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl, sodium chloride. How many bones are there in an adult human body? 206. What phenomenon causes rainbows to form?
When the sunlight passes through a raindrop, rainbow forms.
Water droplets. Refraction and reflection of light in water droplets. तने water droplet रे हमरो light रो जो refraction हुए और reflection हुए ता द्वारा हमरो rainbow form होता है. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion.
What do we call a baby kangaroo? Joy. Joy. What type of energy does a moving object possesses? कौन होगा? Kinetic energy. Kinetic. Which vitamin is produced when a person is exposed to sunlight?
Vitamin D.
What instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure barometer. सेटा भल से आंसर दियो जानू तो कहीं साइलेंट रहो. Which part of the cell is known as the powerhouse? Mitochondria. What do you call animals that can live both on land and in water? से एनिमल को कौन कह जीव जे बोथ लैंड ऊपर रह पारंती वाटर रे भी रह पारंती? Amphibians. Very good. How many legs does an octopus have?
8.
बाबू नु पढ़ी छी बेटा. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? Nitrogen. How many percentage?
77.
About 78%. Which organ in the human body filters blood and produces urine? Kidneys. What do you call a group of stars that form a pattern in the sky? Constellation. Which organ in the human body filters blood and produces urine?
Kidneys.
What is the main gas found in the air we breathe?
Nitrogen.
कितने परसेंट अच्छी?
78%.
What do you call a group of stars that form a pattern in the sky?
Constellations.
Constellation. What example देला?
Leo.
Ursa Major, Saptarish.
Leo.
Taurus.
बहुत. What element do diamonds consist of? Carbon. Which gas makes up most of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. How many planets are there in our solar system?
8 planets.
What is the process by which water vapor turns into liquid water? Condensation. Water vapor turns into liquid. What do you call a scientist who studies plants? Botanist. Which gas is most commonly used in balloons? Helium. What is the primary source of energy for the earth? Sunlight. What do you call the layer of gases surrounding earth? Atmosphere. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? गच्छर को पार्ट रे फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है? लीव्स. आउरी पत्र को आउरी कौन कह जाए गच्छर? फूड फैक्ट्री. किचन रूम, रोसई घर. What instrument is used to measure temperature?
Thermometer.
Which planet is known as the giant planet? Jupiter. Largest planet. Which part of the human body contains the brain? Skull. Very good. Which animal is known for its ability to change colors? Chameleon. What is the main function of red blood cells? हमरा red blood cell आ गोटे white blood cell RBC WBC RBC रो काम कोन फंक्शन गुडा को?
Carry oxygen to different parts of body.
To carry oxygen throughout the body. Different parts. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. सबुठु अधिका सैटेलाइट कार अछि? Natural satellite Saturn. What do you call an animal that only eats plants? Herbivores. What is the term for a baby sheep? Lamb. Which force keeps us grounded on earth?
Gravitational force.
Gravity. What do we call the study of weather and atmospheric conditions? Meteorology. ହେଲା କ'ଣ meteorology. ଆଉ ଆମର ଯିଏ କ'ଣ କହିଲି ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଉପରେ ଯିଏ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରନ୍ତି
Botanist.
botanist. ରକ୍ସ ଉପରେ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରନ୍ତି ଜିଓଲୋଜିଷ୍ଟ. କ୍ଲିୟର?